Most couples want three things from a destination venue: easy location, heritage feel, and no compromise on amenities. This venue actually checks all three. Hi, this is Gurjeet from Vedmigurt, and today we are back with another venue walkthrough, breaking things down so you don't have to travel to every shortlist in person. Rajasthali Resort and Spa has the space, structure, and setup to handle it smoothly. The name literally means where kings live, and walking through this property, you understand why they chose that name. But let's talk about what really matters. First up, location. This is about 30 minutes from Jaipur city and right off the expressway, and that makes a huge difference. When you're managing a large guest list from different cities, this kind of accessibility really helps. Now let's talk about the main attraction here, the Morio Lawn. You can host a full-scale reception of about 1500 to 2000 guests here without worrying about movement, stage placement or crowding. The Aravali Hills create your backdrop. You've got mountains, you've got traditional Rajasthani stonework all around the venue, and honestly, it photographs like a dream. What couples love is the flexibility here. You can go fully tented with chandeliers and draping, or you can keep it open air and let the natural beauty do the work. The Aravali Lawn is your mid-size option. 500 seated, 1200 floating. Swarn Mahal is used for receptions and sangeets of up to 600 people when couples want sound control, air conditioning, or just a more formal vibe. The poolside here gets used a lot, and for good reason. Daytime mehndi works well here, and by evening, the same space turns into a relaxed cocktail setup. You don't need heavy decor. The setting already does enough. When people talk about weddings here, three things come up again and again: food quality, well-managed service, and staff that actually knows how weddings run. The kitchen is hands-on, and that shows when you're serving large numbers over multiple days. There are 110 rooms on the property, including cottages. This changes the energy of the wedding. Guests aren't rushing off, no one's tired. It's one of those things you don't think about until you experience it. What makes Rajasthali visually stunning is the traditional Rajasthani architecture with modern resort amenities. If you want royal Rajasthani vibes with 5-star service and smart location planning, Rajasthali delivers on all fronts. Interested? Contact us at the number below or visit vedmigood.com for detailed pricing.